Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share latest job openings for both freshers and experienced in Bangalore location. So as you can see here, Bigjobz is hiring for HR recruiter position for non-IT and IT recruitment. So the qualifications would be MBA, MSW, BTech, BE, MSc, BBA and BSc. So these are the qualifications required, and freshers and up to 5 years of experienced candidates are eligible, and also they are hiring interns too. So if you want to apply for this position, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.